fat, control bloating, and boost your metabolism naturally. Try this powerful morning drink for just 14 days and see the difference yourself. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you like simple and effective natural remedies, please take a second to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Your support really motivates me to bring more helpful content for you. Today, I'm sharing a simple but very effective fat loss drink made with natural kitchen ingredients. Before we make it, let me quickly explain why this drink is so effective. Fenugreek seeds, methidana, are amazing for weight loss. They help control appetite and keep you full for longer, which reduces overeating. Coriander seeds help flush out excess water from the body and reduce bloating, making your stomach look flatter. Fennel seeds improve digestion and reduce gas, which is very important for a flat tummy. Cinnamon helps balance blood sugar levels. When your sugar levels are stable, your body stores less fat. Ginger boosts metabolism and helps your body burn calories more efficiently. When all these ingredients are combined, they create a powerful natural drink that supports fat loss, especially stubborn belly fat. For this drink, you will need coriander seeds, fenugreek seeds, fennel seeds, cinnamon stick, fresh grated ginger. These ingredients are easily available and very powerful when combined together. Step 1. Soaking. At night before sleeping, take a bowl and add 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds. Now pour about ½ cup of water and let it soak for 10 to 12 hours. Soaking makes this drink more effective and easier to digest. Step 2. In the morning, pour the soaked mixture into a pan. Add ½ tablespoon fennel seeds, ½ inch cinnamon stick, ½ inch grated ginger, and 1 more cup of water. Let it simmer on low flame for 5 minutes. Don't overboil. Strain it, and your drink is ready. How to drink. Drink this warm on an empty stomach in the morning. Follow this daily for at least 2 weeks for best results. Benefits. Here's why this drink works. Coriander seeds reduce water retention, fenugreek helps control appetite, fennel reduces bloating, cinnamon balances blood sugar, ginger boosts metabolism. This combination helps in fat loss, especially belly fat, and improves digestion. If you're finding this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps my videos reach more people like you. Remember, this is not a magic drink. For real results, combine it with healthy diet, less sugar daily. Walking consistency is everything. Avoid if pregnant or if you have low blood sugar. Also, stick to 1 cup daily. Try this drink for 14 days and share your results in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. And if you want more natural remedies for skin, hair, and weight loss, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thank you so much for your support.